So, as many of you already know, risotto is one of those dishes that's best served fresh. However, sometimes we just end up cooking a bit too much. So, what do we do with the leftovers? Well, we can rehydrate it with a bit more stock or water, but it won't be as good as it was fresh. Alternatively, we can repurpose it and make a different dish. So, in today's video, we make arancini. Begin by getting your leftover risotto and your cheese of choice. Here, I chose to go with mozzarella as I already had it in my fridge. If you've ever stored risotto before, you'd know that it becomes dry and mushy. Using a spoon or your bare hands, flatten out the rice on your palm and place a little knob of cheese on it. Carefully shape it into a ball and place it on a tray. It is worth noting that if your risotto has large bits of other ingredients, you may want to pick it out to ensure your rice ball can actually form a ball. Once that's done, place your tray in the fridge or freezer for about 10 minutes while you prepare the breading station. In a tray, pour out some all-purpose flour and season it with some salt and pepper. Do the same for your breadcrumbs in another tray. Finally, crack 2 eggs into a bowl or tray and beat to combine. Once that's done, take out your risotto balls and begin breading. Use one hand for the dry ingredients and the other for the egg wash. It'll make things a lot cleaner. Roll the balls in the flour. Dust off any excess, place it into the egg wash, let any excess drip off, roll it in the bread and set aside. Place your breaded parcels of goodness into the fridge or freezer to firm up as you prepare your oil. In a pan, pour some vegetable oil and heat it up to 180 degrees. If you have a thermometer, then make sure you use it. If not, place a piece of bread into the oil once you think it's hot enough. If it begins sizzling, then it should be good to go. Carefully place your risotto balls into the oil and let them fry for about 5 to 7 minutes. If you're using a smaller pan like me, make sure not to overcrowd the pan and to rotate them to ensure even cooking. Also, if they are browning too quickly, you can cool down the oil by pouring some fresh oil into it. Once they're done cooking, remove them from the oil and let them drain on some paper towels. Finally, plate them up and dig in, doing your best not to scald yourself while taking a bite. And there you have it, how to make risotto balls or arancini. Now, depending on the type of risotto you used, you may want to opt for a different type of dipping sauce. In this case, we used a tomato-based risotto, so that's why we opted for a creamier dipping sauce such as an aioli. However, if you're using a richer or cheesier risotto, then you might want to opt for a tomato-based dipping sauce because it provides a bit more flavor contrast. But that's all for today. If you enjoyed the video or learned something new, remember to like and subscribe and to share the video. Also, let me know in the comments down below what other dishes you'd like to see, what other recipes you'd like to learn, or what other products you'd like me to review. But for now, I'll say thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.